How to repost an Instagram post. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can repost an Instagram post. But before we do that, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So first thing first, you're going to have to open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, then simply head over to your profile by tapping on the bottom right. Once landed on the bottom right, you can choose any post that you want to repost. So let's say if I just select this picture right here and tap on this share, as you can see, there is no option to repost it. Even if I tap on the three lines, there is no option to repost this post. But what you can do is share it to your story, but that does not count as a repost. So in this case, what you need to do is go back to your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see help section. And then from here, tap on report a problem. Continue without report. Continue without shaking, and then don't include your logs. Now here you're going to have to briefly explain that you do not have the repost post option on Instagram and then send it. Once you do that, Instagram help and support team will contact you back within a few days and they should help you resolve your issue. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one.